Nak jing don ka jing Kenya ka jing bon jong ki samla ki bampat yo ban lek phai sha ka jalla Manipur ban betengi ka jing pule hadin bagilawan phai yeng hobnai jemmang nak jing mi ka jing ja kulmar ka badang ne hadu menta haki babon ki jaka hakate ka jalla kala penlong ka kunhon menteri sarkar MDA tu hapo ka jing alam ukon rat ki sangma ban pen sngawi ka te ka mat sha ki bor sarkar ki badan hanong ba New Delhi Nakalyang menteri rang ba ule thu baka jing lejong u shandong ba Delhi bat ka kunhon menteri kalong ka basaiso namar bakila yo banya kendo ya armut ki menteri bakmi ikatanat agriculture bat katanat ka koi ka khya haka bakila pens ngau shaki halor ka jingdan kamban ai jakai gi samla pule doktor joki atli gi jaka pule kata ka Regional Institute of Medical Sciences bat ka Central Agriculture University gi badan Manipur hannong ba Shillong lane ha umyam bat kumju ru haki jaka gi ba marjan jongka thain chatai lammi ngi
We had met the health minister and we met the agriculture minister and we have proposed to both of them that the students who are studying in RIMS and in the Central Agriculture University in Fal, if for 1 year they can be provided a space or a slot here in Shillong, either in RIMS for the medical or anywhere closer in northeast and in the Barapani campus of the CAU where the students for agriculture can come at least for 1 year. So we got a very positive response from the minister, but the decision has not been taken because I think decision will be taken with the honourable Home Minister and other cabinet ministers. But both the ministers were very positive and they said yes, it's a very good suggestion and we will positively examine it. Is what